we have put this line so as to make sure that the direction is in one part. So who can inflate it? Just inflate it like this again from this part. So let's see that again. Yeah, inflate from there. We turn it up. Yeah. More. More. More.
What do you talk about?
I don't think more. So let's see again. This is the way it goes. So due to the weight and gravity, it can't stay like this. It has to turn down.
Yes, sir.
So as it turns down, then we can closely observe that once there is breeze, and you can see to change the direction. But we just need to observe that it's going from here to that part, from here to that part. So it's telling you that the air released from the balloon goes in this direction.
Yes.
So it exerts a force in this direction. Then what happens to the direction of so the action is being created.